Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Zendesk at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Zendesk account. If not, you will need to sign up. Okay, so you can sign up from www.zendesk.com from try for free button. So you will need just to click it, and then you will need to enter your email right here. So let's set an example, and after that you will need to enter your first name and last name, and after that your phone number, right? So you will need to enter the name of the company that you work for, how many employees you have, okay, and right now the password. And that way we created our account. Okay, so we have a 14-day trial. So actually you will need, after creating an account, you will need to go back to your Shopify and then just click on settings on the left hand menu, scroll down a little bit and click on apps option, then just go with Shopify app store. So right now I want you to go ahead and use the search bar right there and type Zendesk. Okay, so enter, and then you should see it just right here. I can see it just because of my region. So actually let's set an example with for example SKO. So to set an example, so actually you will need just to go and click on install. Let's consider that this app or that site as Zendesk. Okay, so just click on install and you will be forwarded into another page. You will need just to confirm the installation from here, and after that it will be forwarded into the Zendesk website. All right, if you have an account, you will need just to confirm, and there you go. It will be listed on and integrated on your Shopify apps. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.